Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel IT Support. Today video is about installing Joomla in localhost. For this, go to download.joomla.org. Download the latest Joomla full package. It takes some time to download the file. Let's create a DB for the site in localhost. I'm going to create the DB named Joomla _test. After downloading complete, unzip the file inside Xampp htdoc. I'm going to name the directory as Joomla test. Now open tab, type localhost, your file name, and run. Here the Joomla installation page loaded. Name your site. I name it as IT support. Now write description. I'm going to write installation test. Now add information regarding admin. I'm going to add dummy email for admin username, admin password, confirm password, then press next. After that, fill your DB details. Our host name is localhost, and by default username of localhost is root, password is null. Copy the DB name and paste here. Joomla provide by default table prefix here. I'm not going to change this. Now here is your pre-installation configuration details. Paste installation. Now your site is installing. It takes some time to install the site. Keep patience. Here is the installed site. Now remove the installation folder as Joomla. Mention that I have removed that. Now go to site, and you can also may go to administrator page by clicking here. Here is the front page of your site, and here is the administrator login page. Now just log in and see this. If you like this video, please like the button, subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.